Hi folks, JJ here with San Juan Waterworks. It's getting cold in our neck of the woods. One of our issues that we have first thing is freeze with the pump system. Today we're going to cover how to drain down that water so that there's nothing left in there to freeze. The first thing we need to do is to turn off the controls to the sprinkler system. Once we've drained that pump down, it's important that it does not run. One of the quickest ways to do damage to a pump is to have it running while it's dry. So the very first thing that we're going to do is turn the system to the off position. Now that we've got the sprinkler system turned off, we're ready to drain down the remaining water that's left over inside of these pipes. Essentially all we're going to do is really just open everything that we possibly can to let all that water drain out. So on this pump, we've got a hose bib up top, and we have a drain on the filter here. We're going to open all of those, and then we're going to take off the suction line. On every pump, at the bottom of it somewhere, there's going to be a plug of some sort. Your pump may not look exactly like this, but every one of them has some sort of a drain at the very bottom of it. So the last piece of this puzzle, well, one of the last pieces of this puzzle is to pull this plug so that we can drain all of that water out of there. The next thing you're going to want to do is drain all the water out of your suction line. This one's nice and easy because it's so small, but essentially you just need to tip it so that all that water drains out of there. Now there's nothing left in this to freeze. We've essentially drained all the water from the pump and the piping. The last piece of this puzzle here is to make sure that all of your ball valves are halfway between open and closed. There's a ball valve actually inside of this hose bib. There's a ball valve here obviously, and then this is also a ball valve here. So any and all ball valves, we just want them halfway between open and closed to save them from freezing at all. You want to leave this drain plug out so that any remaining water can drain, as well as any condensation buildup has somewhere to get out. My suggestion is to hide this behind the controller. You'll need this again when you go to fire up that sprinkler system for the first time, but right behind here is a handy place to keep it. You know it's not going to go anywhere.